2.
Listen, talk to me. We can talk. Like gentlemen.
3.
God! I know where the rabbit's foot is. I can help you.
That was cool, right? Hey, do I look like Carlos Maza yet?
Who's that?
You're right, I'm cuter. That clip from the beginning was from Mission Impossible, and most of you know John Cho was not the star of that movie. So I want to talk to you about DeepFakes. If you haven't heard of it, it's this scarily accurate face swap algorithm that most people have been using to put celebrity faces on probably illegal porn, or to put Nicolas Cage's face in movies that he wasn't in. I recommend checking out one of my favorite YouTubers channels, Tom Scott. I'll link to the video up here or down here. I wondered if there was a way to use deepfakes for good. And then I remembered #starring John Cho, movement from 2 years ago about putting John Cho in more movies. And I thought, why not take that to the next level? So I downloaded the code and futzed around in the code base.
Wait. You can code? Why are you making internet videos?
To disappoint my parents. I tried running it on my CPU, and in 4 days I got this. Not great. I realized I needed a GPU just to make it faster, so I reached out to my friend Chris Platt, pictured here. Cute guy. He has a GPU on his PC because he is a gamer. But then we learned that the AI database we were using was too big for his GPU. Sidebar, this is how intense machine learning is. His GPU, meant for running the newest games at the highest quality, wasn't powerful enough for our AI. So then I hunted around for the best, cheapest server that I could use. Thank you, Microsoft, for kind of sponsoring this video for your $200 of free credit that you give to new users on Azure. I started training the Tom Cruise model, and in 3 days I got this. I was actually going through my Azure credits way faster than I should have been, so we regrouped and tried to figure out who would be the most versatile white actor that we could replace with John Cho, and we landed on Ryan Gosling. He's in rom-coms, he's in action movies. Ryan Gosling also has the added benefit of often co-starring with everyone's favorite Asian American actress, Emma Stone. Here's the TLDW for those of you who skipped to this part of the video. I trained an AI to learn how to put John Cho's face onto Ryan Gosling's face. And here are the results. Here's a clip from the party scene in La La Land.
All right, I remember you. And I'll admit I was a little curt that night.
Kurt?
Okay, I was an asshole. I can admit that.
Here's a little bit from City of Stars.
City of stars, there's so much that I can't see.
Here's another clip from City of Stars.
His eyes to light up the skies, to open the world and send it reeling.
Here's a clip from The Notebook.
It's about security.
What is that supposed to mean?
Money!
What are you talking?
He's got a lot of money.
Now I hate you, you
Well, I hate
bastard.
you. If you leave here, I hate you.
What
hate you
have
if
you
you
been
leave
paying
here.
attention to anything that's been happening?
I guess not. I think I must have misread all of those signals.
I guess you did.
Look, I know this is an AI and it's fake and all I could do is replace his face, but it was really cool to see a minority in those roles, and it made me have hope for the future. I hope you enjoyed it. There's a couple fun things I wanted to note. I hear this old adage that all Asians look the same, but according to this algorithm, so do all white people. I decided to run the algorithm on the entirety of the Crazy Stupid Love trailer using the Ryan Gosling model. Here's my favorite clip from that. The facial extraction step also creates a set of images where the eyes and mouth of each person is focused. And so when I ran that on John Cho, I got this really cool psychedelic looking image staring you in the soul. I want to thank everyone who helped me with this. This took over a month of work. I really want to thank Chris Platt, Nick Tricoli, Doe Park, Kristen Pownell. I wanted to thank my friend behind the camera, Emil, who has been indulging me this entire time. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this.
Are you actually gonna swap your face with John Cho's?
Hey, if Steven Spielberg can direct a fan film of all his previous films, I can fucking do this. Thank you so much for watching. Check out more links to my stuff After this experience, I think I no longer see John Cho as one person, but as all people.